Hey everyone, today I'm thrilled to share an incredible trick that I recently discovered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of how I turned my phone into a mobile projector using an app called HoloFlash. It's truly fascinating how this works. Once I press start, the screen from my phone is mirrored using the flashlight, transforming it into a projector. I was skeptical at first, but seeing it in action completely blew my mind. This app works for both iOS and Android devices, and you don't need any special skills or additional equipment to make it happen. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. All you need to do is watch this video and follow each step carefully. So if you're curious about turning your phone into a projector and want to impress your friends with this cool trick, keep watching. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how easy and effective this is. Let's get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for HoloFlash and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.